Here's how to create a vision board on Pinterest in just a few steps. Go to your Pinterest profile by clicking your profile icon. Look for the plus button in the Saved section and click it. Select Board from the options that appear. Give your board a name that reflects your vision. It can be as simple as Vision Board or something more specific like 2026 Goals. Leave the Keep this board secret option unchecked if you want others to be inspired by it, or check it if you want it to be private. Click Create. Now browse Pinterest and save anything that inspires you: goals, aesthetics, travel destinations, career ideas, or lifestyle images. Click Save on any pin and select your vision board from the drop-down to add it there. Once you have saved everything that represents what you are working toward, your board is your vision board, a visual collection of where you want to go. You can revisit it whenever you need motivation and update it anytime your goals change. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.